Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. Then let's tap on status bar and tap on the battery percentage. Let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got three options. So inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, and do not show at all. What is more, of course, choose the option you prefer. What is more, we've got also the battery style option, which is really cool because we've got those kind of, I would say, basic or regular options, but we've got also the loop or do not show at all, so we will show only the percentage. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.